Hey guys, this is Steve from the Scroll Saw Workshop. I've got a little toy for you here tonight that's a lot of fun to build. Uses 1/2 inch steel ball bearings that you can get off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Also, the plans will be available in my free online catalog at the Scroll Saw Workshop. And again, I'll put a link in the description below for the link to the catalog. As you can see, this little toy depends on balance and weight. The weight of the ball falling into the shovel is enough to offset the counterbalance on the back of the shaft and drop the ball into the little receiving dish. Then the counterbalance, after the ball drops out, picks the shovel back up, pushes the little plunger at the end of the ramp, releases another ball through the hole, and the process repeats until all the balls are done. Lots of fun to make, pretty easy to make, and again, the plans will be available over at the Scroll Saw Workshop.